Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you valuable insights on goat farming. In today's video, we will dive into the topic of goat vaccinations and how they play a crucial role in safeguarding your herd's well-being. I'm your host, your goat farmer, and let's get started with Goat Vaccinations Demystified, Safeguarding Your Herd's Well-Being. Vaccinations are an integral part of goat health care, as they help prevent the outbreak of diseases and protect the overall well-being of your herd. By understanding the importance of vaccinations, you can ensure the longevity and productivity of your goats. Now, let's discuss the most common vaccinations that every goat owner should be aware of. We'll cover 5 essential shots that will provide a strong defense against prevalent diseases in goats. The CD&T vaccine is one of the most crucial vaccinations for goats. It protects against Clostridium perfringens types C and D, as well as tetanus. When goats are infected with Clostridium perfringens type C and D or exposed to tetanus, they may experience symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, diarrhea, fever, lethargy, and in severe cases, sudden death. Tetanus, specifically, can cause muscle stiffness and spasms. We'll explore why these diseases pose a threat to your herd and how the CD&T vaccine provides an effective shield in the next coming videos. Caseous lymphadenitis, also known as CL, is a highly contagious bacterial infection in goats. The symptoms of CL in goats can include abscesses in various parts of the body, including the lymph nodes. These abscesses are usually firm, inflamed, and may contain thick, cheesy pus. We'll delve into the details of this disease, its impact on your herd, and the benefits of vaccinating against CL in videos to follow. Goat polio, or polioencephalomalacia, is a neurological condition that can affect goats. Symptoms of goat polio include staggering, head pressing, blindness, and eventually, death if left untreated. We'll discuss the causes and the importance of administering the goat polio vaccine to safeguard your goats from this devastating illness in videos to follow. Pneumonia is a common respiratory infection that can cause severe health issues in goats. The symptoms of pneumonia in goats can include coughing, difficulty breathing, rapid or labored breathing, nasal discharge, fever, loss of appetite, and lethargy. We'll shed light on the various pneumonia vaccines available and how they can prevent respiratory diseases from spreading within your herd. Brucellosis is a contagious bacterial infection that can cause reproductive issues in goats, including abortion, stillbirths, and reduced fertility. Other signs can include swollen joints, weight loss, decreased milk production, and overall weakness. We'll explore the significance of the brucellosis vaccine in maintaining the reproductive health of your herd in videos to follow. Knowing the proper vaccination schedule and administration techniques is essential to ensure the effectiveness of vaccines. We'll guide you through establishing a vaccination schedule and provide tips on administering the shots correctly in videos to follow. While this video provides valuable information, it's crucial to consult with a veterinarian for personalized advice tailored to your specific herd's needs. They can help you develop a comprehensive vaccination plan based on your location, herd size, and any specific health concerns. That concludes our video on Goat Vaccinations Demystified, Safeguarding Your Herd's Well-Being. By understanding the importance of vaccinations, staying up to date with the recommended shots, and working closely with a veterinarian, you can ensure the optimal health and longevity of your goat herd. Remember, prevention is key to maintaining a thriving and disease-free farm. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights on goat farming. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy goat farming.